Hello guys, Alex here. Today we are back in Clash Royale. Let's start. Okay, let's give some people some cards. Yeah, do you notice that this Neymar Jr. is Kevin AMC? Okay, let's start the battle. Okay, let's go. Okay, first put a knight. Okay, is he gonna attack? Yes, okay. Wait here. Okay, let's put this here. The bomber and the goblin. Okay, take it down, please. Okay. No. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put a cannon here. Skeletons. Go. Some archers behind. Yes, do it right in time. Okay, let's go. Shoot it. Okay. Bomber, minions, and goblins. Okay, and scatter for distraction. Okay. Go minions, go! Minions! Okay, let's go. Let's keep going for push. Put a cannon for protective. Okay, I know we will go for push. I put almost everything I have. Okay. Archers, do your things. Okay. Let's wait. Okay, he's gonna put this. Put this to counter. Knight, goblins. And some bombers. No, a bomber. Only one. Get it in. Distract him. Spear corpse. Go. Okay. Okay, archers. Bomber. I need the bomber. Okay. Let's go. Let's go and attack. Go. We might win here. Let's see. Okay. I think I don't have a spell in this deck. Okay, let's just think. Push some archers and spear gulps. Okay. There's. Oh yes! Okay. The first battle is 1 crown. Give him a GG. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's open this golden chest. Okay, and let's go. Okay, give him a good luck. And let's do this. So, spawner decks. Okay, spawner decks. Okay, let's just and put a knight. There with some skeletons. Kill the cannon, kill the cannon, yes. Go, go, go. Go and go. Okay. We got a little ship. Oh, baby dragon, I hate you. Okay, go, please, kill it. Oh, big ops. Yes. Oh no. Goblin. No. Skeleton. No, skeleton's over. Because Foggery has a splash damage. Okay, bomb. Uh-oh. Giant skeleton. Kidding me. Lure him here. Lure him more further. Good. This should be good, yes. Good. Goblin. Go and wreck the master gear. Okay. Cannon, please, cannon. Cannon, go. Shoot, cannon. We'll do this once again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Spear Cops, do your thing, please. Seriously, Spear Cops? Are you kidding me? Okay. Let's go. Thing. Some distraction is this one. Okay, let's lure them here. Okay, here is the prince. Okay, giant skeleton. Let's go. I'm here. Lure the giant skeleton. Let's go. Away from the bomb. Good. I think we may lose this one. I think I'll choose from deck after this one. Because I think the next battle is my last battle of today. Just don't let him go here anymore. Okay. Let's do this. I hate spawning decks when I don't have spells. It's not good for me. Oh, I put it in the. Oh my god. Archers. Don't let the prince come here. Yes. Go. Take out the prince. Take out the prince. Yes. Okay, cannon. Counter it. We're gonna just prepare our king tower. Let's just wait. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. No. Oh! Oh my god, we almost got free grounded. Ooh. Let's change our deck. Okay. I think this deck will be good. Okay. Let's go. Start a good push with this deck. Let's put giant here. Balloon followed by. Okay, he's not gonna defend. Okay. I'm wrong. Kill that ring. No. We got his tower. Okay, this was again. I will use my skeleton army. So maybe came here. Okay. Let's go. Minions. Go, minions. Minions. Okay. got it. Okay. Wait for his attack. I think he's gonna attack. Let me think. Another giant balloon push. Already know. He's gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this. Can't do it. Yeah. Kill the Master Gear. Do it. Okay. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna push, I'm gonna just push. Okay. Okay, spawner. Oh my Jesus. Why? Spawner. I hate you, spawner. Kill the Master Gear. Go! Kill it. Don't touch me. You're doing this. You guys put the giant in the skeleton army. Let's do this push. He's panicking. He's panicking so bad. Ooh, got free ground. Okay, give him a GG. Okay, guys, this is the last battle. So. Remember, okay, you can open a crown chest before we end, okay? Okay, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned. See you later in another video. Goodbye!